Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use AI to create amazing captions for your social media videos. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Alright, so I uploaded the video and this is a prompt that I like to use. So I'm simply asking ChatGPT to generate an engaging caption for this reel and I want it to sound natural. So always add your goal. In this case for me is going to be for my audience to comment and to share the video with friends. So I'm uploading the video. That might take a few seconds and we're going to see what ChatGPT comes up with. All right, so here it is. ChatGPT gave me 3 different options for this reel. Again, I use ChatGPT because I feel like the pro version gives you a lot of benefits and the pricing is actually really good. In case you guys want to check it out, I'm going to leave the link to ChatGPT Pro down below. So here we have 3 different options for my caption. And again, remember that you always have to tell AI what your goal is with the video. And of course, that's going to help you have better engagement. That is it, you guys. I hope this video helped. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe in case this helped. Bye, guys.